Yo, I ate shit today. It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy, bro. Let's get into what we did today. So, it by no means was a fun day trading. Um, this could be another reject here, the 672.70. And what happened today was I was expecting to break out of this bear flag, right? I was I was very biased. I was looking I was looking for puts. I wanted it to go down. And I was like, man, I mean, we held right here, so just enter here. But see, like this candle closed good, volume came up, we got some volume that came in, nice. And then, nope, we fought, buyers came in, boom, matched it, popped right through that level. So that was huge stop loss. Um, Stopped out right there. And then in the chat, obviously stopped out. Let's see. This is what I'm telling them. Like this is literally what the past couple of days has looked like. So how you supposed to trade that? What levels you got in here that are gorgeous, right? We had a reject level that was either going to be here or here. We tried them both, and they both failed. So that's all you can do. It's not 100% win rate. That's all you can do. Tesla also looked great. Kyle called out Tesla. It looked good, right? It was holding and then broke through and then broke back below, held, broke through again, bounced. So it's just like I bet you too. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. I mean, chop. We're just bouncing in and out of EMAs. You don't want to. There's no trades to be taken in that. So this is like definitely times to realize, which I didn't. I went fairly heavy. I did full position size on my trades today, so I definitely lost more than I wanted to. Uh, but that's just how it goes, right? So next time you got to realize, which I have to do too, is that we're in this chop zone. We need to break through this, like it looks like we're about to do. We need to break through and go up, right? Go parabolic through or go parabolic down. But as soon as we get that clear direction, now we have a trend again. Like this right here is so nice to trade. Like we get a big move. All right, cool. We just wait for our areas of rejection, right? So like we know that we come up here, we'll reject. Up here, get reject, right? So coming down pre-market does this. I mean, bro, it literally just broke the previous day's low right here. So zoom in more for you. So literally when it opens, that's your reject. Close below you go. So we broke through. All right, this day was great for puts. We caught puts here. And then market open and I wanted puts, but this was the whole market open. So then literally we got a break and reclaim of that level. It opened and just kept dropping. So I was like, geez, we were super oversold. So I was like, all right, we could take a bounce. As soon as we get the reclaim, we could take it, right? So 657 to 659. It's still a $2 move. But it's just like, yeah, trending days are easier days. This is chop, right? Not the best. Let's go. This is gorgeous, right? Boom. All right, cool. Break back above, bounce, huge bounce. Um, we get up here, right? We're above, bounce. This is bounces. I mean, this is all stuff that we go over. Like, does that make sense? Why we could go to the upside now? Like, yeah, this is a bearish move, but we could at least take it to here, right? Because we know that we just made a higher high and we held this new support. If we broke through the support, then it becomes resistance and you can take it back down. Uh, but that's what I'm saying. So that's all. I mean, trading is not crazy complicated. I don't think you need to have 100 indicators on, but I think a lot of it comes down to the mental of knowing when to size up. There's weeks you could have $4,000 or $5,000 weeks, and then there's weeks that you may have $300-$400 weeks. Um, so it's really just realizing what market we're in. On the watch list today, I said SPY 670.50 reject down, or to 667, or 665.40, right? Bounce. So that's what I was, that's what I was waiting for. I thought for sure we break out of this bear flag and just go to like straight to that 665 level. Um, and then I said and above 670.5 to 672. So literally above 670.5 is right here. And that's where it broke out. And it went straight to 672. So, but that's not like no one's gonna catch that. You can't catch it. What, you gonna grab this little pullback at 671.24? You'd be up $1 in profits now, but that's too much, bro. That's doing too much. Not a big enough move for me. Meta 710.30 bounce to 716. So Meta's bounce was actually nice. 710.30. I wanted for above, right? Come on. That was gorgeous. That was that was really gorgeous. This was a break and reclaim, right? As soon as we reclaim, you can enter and go. And I actually, so for this one on the intradays, the other day, this is what I had said, right? I told you guys, told you what was gonna play out, and this right here, this section is right here. All right, guys. So that's all she wrote. I'm out. I'm taking my loss for the day. I'm being done. I would say the key takeaway for today is not to go crazy on position size and respect your stop losses. As soon as it goes the other way, no matter how big it is, just take the loss because from there you're just gambling. All right. So it's your boy Mike Lowy. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.